News is not objective. When it comes to a reporter knowing what to cover, objectivity and fairness applies not only to how a reporter writes about an issue, but how he conducts himself in public as well, as stated by ThoughtCode.com. It all comes down to what the journalist's news perspective is. It's what it is that they themselves consider to be news, what they think that their audience is going to want to read, what sort of stories get covered, and what information they choose to include in their story. So they are really choosing what angle to tell the story from. Another thing that causes news to not be objective is that it's really hard to avoid bias. The American Press Institute said that pack journalism also creates groupthink. It's the fact that corporations keep sending out mass stories that they just keep repeating, and this can, some people may distort the meaning of the story being reported. Also, avoiding bias really comes down to human error, deadlines, and profit. What is it that the journalist decides to tell, how they're going to tell it, and what angle they decide to take on the story?